Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to center the header of featured collection on Shopify. For example, you can see that I'm on one of my product pages on my Shopify store, and you can see the featured collection header is aligned to the left. I'll be showing you how to move it to the center. The first thing you will need to do is go into your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you're automatically going to be redirected to the Themes page. Once on the Themes page, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on the three dots beside the theme that you're using, and you're going to tap on Edit Theme. After you have tapped on Edit Theme, you will be redirected to this page. And I want you to scroll all the way down and you're going to select Assets. So let's do that real quick. After you have done that, I want you to scroll down and you're going to select base.css. Or depending on the theme that you're using, you may see theme.css. Either one, you're going to select it. After selecting it, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once at the bottom of the page, what I want you to do now, the last line, you're going to simply tap right there and you're going to tap on Enter, as you want it to be a blank line. Once the line is blank, what I want you to do, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description or in the comment section. I want you to copy this code right here. So we're going to copy the code. After you have copied the code, you're going to paste the code right here at the bottom of the page. Then you're going to tap on Save in the right hand corner. After you have tapped on Save, you're going to go back to the display right here, and you can see it is aligned to the left. If I should refresh the page, you will realize that it is now aligned in the center. So after refreshing the page, as you can see right here, you can see that featured collection is now aligned in the center. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, if you would like to edit the featured collection, for example, add stuff to it, you can do that by simply going back into your Shopify admin page. If I were to tap on Exit right here, once you're on the themes page once more, all you would need to do is tap on Customize. After you have tapped on Customize, you will be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, from here, you could simply go up to the top, right where you see Home page. Then from there, you're going to tap on Products, or you could tap on Collection and see if you see it. No. What I want you to do is go up to the top. You're going to tap on Products, then tap on Default Products. After you have tapped on Default Products, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to see Featured Collections. You're going to tap on that. After you have tapped on it, you're going to scroll down. By the way, you can change the heading size if you want. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down. And from here, you will be able to increase the amount of products that is displayed. As you can see at the moment, 4 products has been displayed. If you would also like to change the background color or the color of the text, you can do that by tapping right where you see Scheme 1. You could tap on Edit right here. Then you can tap on Text. And from there, you could select the background color, or better yet, the text color that you would like to use. So for example, if I would like the text color to be black, all I would have to do is simply tap on it. And you can see right here, you can also edit. If the second image on hover shows second image on hover, you could tap on that. And by the way, if I were to scroll down, you can see the difference. Product or products to your collection, all you'll need to do right where you see collection, you're going to tap on Select Collections. For example, I created a test collection, so if I were to tap on it, you can see that the products have been added to featured collection. If you don't have a collection created already, all you'll need to do is tap on Create Collection right here, and this is going to redirect you to your Shopify store. and from here you'll be able to create a new collection. So all you'll need to do is enter the collection name. So let's say, for example, I want to name this collection T. Then all I'll need to do now, I'll tap on manual, or you could select automated, and from there you could choose different features or condition that will add a product to the collection. But for this example, I will select manual. Then you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once it has been saved, you are going to scroll down. Then you are going to tap on browse to choose the products that you would like to add to the collection. Then tap on add, and you can see the changes. The product has been added right there. So all you'll need to do now, you are going to go back to this page. Then you would simply refresh the page, and after refreshing the page you will see the collection and you'll simply add it, then tap on select. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.